Myself, Pawan Sharma. I am coordinator of today's webinar. I welcome you all. As you all know that IIC, Institution of Innovation Council, IIMT Law College is organizing a series of events to inculcate among the youth the spirit of innovation and entrepreneurship. So today we have with us Ms. Swechha Sharma, who will be our esteemed speaker, and she will speak on the theme importance of IPR in global scenarios. Ms. Swechha did her BBA from IMIT College, CCS University, Meerut. She has completed her LLB from the same. She did her LLM from Gautam Buddha University and also completed CS. Now, currently, she is working with Infos Law College, Greater Noida. So today she is with us to grace this event. So now over to you, ma'am. Swechha, ma'am.
Good afternoon, everyone. I welcome all the people who are joined with this webinar. Today, we are going to proceed with the topic importance of intellectual property rights in global scenario. Am I audible to everyone? It is audible to everyone. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Am I audible? I can continue.
Yes, ma'am.
you
Yes,
are
ma'am.
audible.
You're audible to the
Sure.
listeners. Yeah,
I
you're
will-
audible to the listeners.
Sir told us that today our topic is importance of intellectual property rights in global scenario. Then I'm going to proceed with the same topic. In the present scenario of globalization, IPR is the focal point in global trade practices and livelihood across the world. The intellectual property rights are intangible in nature and gives exclusive rights to the inventor, to the creator for their labor, for their human exercise. These rights boost the innovative environment by recognizing uh, sorry by recognition and economic benefits to the creator inventor. हमारा मतलब है कि ये है जो इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टी राइट्स होते हैं जो किसी भी चीज को कोई इन्वेंट करता है उसको क्रिएट करता है किसी भी न्यूली चीज को उसको एक्सक्लूसिव राइट देते हैं टू एंजॉय दैट टाइटल विदाउट द इंटरफेरेंस ऑफ एनीवन एंड इफ देयर इज लैक ऑफ अवेयरनेस अबाउट आईपीआर इट्स इनइफेक्टिव अगर इसका इनइफेक्टिव इम्प्लीमेंटेशन होता है इट मे हैम्पर द इकोनॉमिक सोशल एंड टेक्निकल डेवलपमेंट हम इसके एग्जाम्पल देख सकते हैं वी कैन टेक एग्जाम्पल ऑफ दिस इफ एनीबडी विल फील दैट अ प्रोडक्ट अ इन्वेंशन इज मेड by an individual and if it is not protected it can be imitated by any other person then such person will not take initial steps to for a new invention in the wake of globalization it is utmost important to ahead in innovations and creativeness to compete the competition in technology and trade. Now, to understand the importance of intellectual property rights in the global scenario, it is important to know why the emergent need of emergence, why the emergence came to need the raise of intellectual property rights. Firstly, the first known use of the term intellectual property rights traced back to such time when an article published in the Monthly Review in 1769. The history of patent came back to the dated that time 1331 on 16 July 1331 there was a King Edward III who makes such a patent by a letter patentee. Now we are going to understand what is intellectual property. Intellectual property is it is important to know Justice Charles Wood Ivory, he was the first justice who used the term intellectual property in the case at Dowell at Lee versus Brown, 1945. Intellectual property means the legal rights which create from the intellectual activity in the field of industry, art, literacy, and industrial world. The term intellectual property refers to intellectual creativity of a creator, such as invention, म्यूजिक, सिंबल्स। जो आईपीआर होता है, इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टी राइट्स होते हैं, वो क्रिएटर इन्वेंटर के, चाहे वो म्यूजिकल नेचर का वर्क हो, इंडस्ट्रियल नेचर का वर्क हो, किसी भी कोई भी नई इन्वेंशन हो, कोई न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी हो, उसको प्रोटेक्ट करता है कॉपीराइट के थ्रू, पेटेंट के थ्रू, ट्रेडमार्क के थ्रू। तो इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टी क्या है? इस एक इंटेंजिबल एसेट्स है, ये एक लीगल कंसेप्ट है। इट इज अ लीगल कंसेप्ट व्हिच रेफर्स टू द क्रिएशंस ऑफ human mind and gives exclusive rights to the owner to prevent the unauthorized use of such invention or creation. It covers the whole field of creative world, whether it is art, it is literature, it is industry. Example, we can take example, design of a house, how which material is used in making the house, material used in furnishing the house like carpet, sofa, टेलीफोन एक्सेट्रा। द आर्टिकल्स ऑफ डेली यूज, जो हम अपनी डेली लाइफ में आर्टिकल्स यूज करते हैं, लाइक पेन, बुक्स, न्यूज़पेपर्स, टिश्यू पेपर्स, इवन the things worn by us like jeans, t-shirt, trousers. This list is endless because IPR protect the creation or invention of creator or inventor through various modes, which we will going to discuss in very soon. IPR, intellectual property rights, are invisible, intangible, and incorporeal in nature. Now the question arises, how it is intangible? Because it is intangible, it has no physical parameters of its own. It must be shown by some other way, by indiscriminable way. It is incorporeal in nature because it is property in immaterial form or non-physical property. We can say that intangible property in with regard to IPR is the property which has no existence in physical form but exists only in the eyes of law. Now we are going to understand meaning of intellectual property rights. I told you the many intellectual, what is intellectual property, but this intellectual property is protected under IPR through various laws made under intellectual property rights laws. इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टी राइट, जैसे कि WTO ने बताया है, वर्ल्ड ट्रेड ऑर्गेनाइजेशन डिफाइंस intellectual property rights are those rights given to a person or for the creation of their mind, and they are exclusively given for the creator or inventor to use such rights without any interference of anyone, and no one can imitate those inventions. No one can steal the idea, no one can express the idea in the same manner as it is expressed previously. We can say in simple language, intellectual property rights is a system. ये वो system है जो क्या करता है, seeks to balance the two conflicting interests between the private owner and the public domain. If अगर इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टी राइट्स इस तरीके से इनको प्रोटेक्ट नहीं करेंगे, ऑनर्स को, क्रिएटर्स को एक्सक्लूसिव राइट्स नहीं देंगे, तो देन आप कॉन्फ्लिक्ट विल अराइज, एक कॉन्फ्लिक्ट अराइज हो जाएगा किसके बीच में, with two persons. One person is the private owner who created the thing, who invented the thing, who had searched that thing, जिसने उस चीज को सर्च किया है, जिसने उसको इन्वेंट किया है, और पब्लिक के बीच में. Because if there is no protection, everyone will imitate the same thing. No one will follow the same path, that we should not do this because there is no protection. That's why we can say it's a harmonization system between to harmonize the conflicting interest of a private person, we can say basically owner of the thing, and the public domain. These are legally exclusive rights for the variety of intangible assets, and such as musical, literary. If for example we can say if a person is the real owner of music, then a copyright has been a copyright protection has been given under such law. Copyright protection, if anyone makes the same music in the same manner or express the idea in the same manner in the according to the previous, then it will make the infringement of copyright, and he will punish accordingly to the Copyright Act 2012. Now the intellectual property is classified for the protection of different kinds of intellectual property. Intellectual property laws have been made within some fundamental principles, कुछ fundamental principles बनाए गए कि अगर कोई किसी का म्यूजिक है तो उसको हम कॉपीराइट के थ्रू प्रोटेक्ट करेंगे, कोई साइन है तो हम उसे ट्रेडमार्क के थ्रू प्रोटेक्ट करेंगे, कोई नई मशीन इन्वेंट करता है हम उसे पेटेंट के थ्रू करेंगे, अगर किसी पर्टिकुलर प्लेस से कोई चीज निकल के आती है तो हम उसे जियोग्राफिकल इंडिकेशन के थ्रू करेंगे, कोई इंफॉर्मेशन निकल के आती है हम उसे ट्रेड सीक्रेट के थ्रू करेंगे, बायोडायवर्सिटी के थ्रू करेंगे। इसी तरीके से हमने इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टी को क्लासिफाई करा है ऑन द बेसिस ऑन द टाइप ऑफ इन्वेंशन एंड क्रिएशन ऑफ ह्यूमन माइंड। जिस सभी एक जैसा इन्वेंशन नहीं करते हैं, कोई लिटरेरी में करता है, आर्ट में करता है, कोई मशीन्स में करता है, कोई साइंस में करता है, कोई इंडस्ट्री में करता है। दैट्स व्हाई जस्ट टू मेक द इजियर पाथ for the classification we have classified intellectual property in some manners. Intellectual property is divided into two main heads. We can take example, एक तो literary property हो गया, दूसरा हमारा industrial property हो गया। Literary property basically music, songs, films, photographs and copyright. Mainly copyright comes under the literary property and other related rights. And I told you the second right is industrial right, which includes in itself patent, trademark, designs, etc., industrial designs, geographical indications. Copyright, now we talk about the copyright. Copyright क्या है? एक ऐसा exclusive right है given to an author or any composer or to any ऑफिस असाइनी, किसी भी ऑथर को दिया जाता है, उसकी किसी कंपोजर को या उसके द्वारा अपॉइंट किसी भी असाइनी को टू प्रिंट, पब्लिश एंड सेल ओरिजिनल कॉपीज ऑफ हिज ओरिजिनल वर्क, टू सेल कॉपीज ऑफ हिज ओरिजिनल वर्क। कॉपीराइट में क्या है? जो भी कोई कंपोजर है, कोई भी ऑथर है, कोई उसने बुक लिखी है, कोई उसने म्यूजिक क्रिएट किया है, कोई उसने साउंड क्रिएट किया है, कोई फोटोग्राफ क्रिएट किया है, आप क्या करते हैं? उसको एक एक्सक्लूसिव राइट देते हैं कि कोई भी इसको इमिटेट नहीं कर सकता। अगर वो ऐसा करता है तो इट विल बी द इन्फ्रिंजमेंट ऑफ कॉपीराइट एंड दैट पर्सन, वेदर इट इज कंपोजर, it is a signee or it is author, has the right to sell the original work, but only such person has the right to sell that work. And if anybody makes to imitate that work same as the author, that person will that work is protected under the Copyright Act 2012. Now it has been amended many times, but in India presently it is working with the Copyright Act 2012. Copyright में क्या है? Through copyright protections have been given to various literary work, whether it is a novel, poem, films, म्यूजिक, आर्टिस्टिक वर्क में आता है आपका ड्राइंग आता है, पेंटिंग, फोटोग्राफ्स, स्कल्पचर्स, all these are protected within the copyright. If anyone tries to make such a violation, then it will be punished accordingly. Now the protection for any other works for new inventions have been also provided under intellectual property laws through patent system. Patent system क्या है? पेटेंट इज एन एक्सक्लूसिव राइट। पेटेंट भी एक तरीके का एक्सक्लूसिव राइट है। जितने भी राइट्स हमारे आईपीआर में दिए जाते हैं वो सभी हमारे एक्सक्लूसिव राइट्स होते हैं। नो अदर पर्सन कैन इंटरफेयर इन दोज राइट्स। पेटेंट इज एक्सक्लूसिव राइट ग्रांटेड फॉर एन इन्वेंशन और अ प्रोडक्ट और अ प्रोसेस। किसी भी इन्वेंशन के लिए अगर कोई भी पर्सन कोई नया कुछ इन्वेंट करता है, कोई नया प्रोडक्ट लेके आता है, कोई ऐसा प्रोसेस विच इज हैव नॉट बीन एक्वेंटेड विद द सोसाइटी, विच इज नॉट एग्जिस्ट इन द सोसाइटी, जो सोसाइटी में पहले से ही एग्जिस्ट नहीं करता है, अगर कोई उस तरीके का कोई न्यू इन्वेंशन लेके आता है, देन इट विल बी प्रोटेक्टेड अंडर द पेटेंट एक्ट 1970. बट टू अ थिंग is patentable, but it must fulfill three conditions for the patentability. It must be new, involve an inventive step. It must be industrial applicability. New means it must be new. That means involving an inventive step means which thing, which process does not exist in the society, or people or the public are not aware with the such process, with the such invention, and it is not obvious to an ordinary skilled person at least, then it will be patentable. Otherwise everything, if a person says that I have made such and such things, such machines, such inventions, and it is patentable, but for then the Patent Act 1970, various provisions have been made to check that such thing is able to be patentable or not. If it fulfills three conditions, as I said, it must be new, inventive step, industrial applicability होना चाहिए. Patent provides incentives to individuals by offering them recognition for their creative and material rewards for their market invention. Patent inventions, in fact, pervaded every aspect of human life. For example, electric lighting. We can take example of patent. Electric lighting, patent held by Edison and Swan. Plastic, patents held by Beckler. Ballpoint pens, if we talk about patents held by Biro. Microprocessor, patents held by Intel. In India, patent protection has been provided for 20 years in initial phase, but after that it can be renewed from time to time as the fee is payable. Now, the third protection under intellectual property rights is through trademark. If there is important, what is importance of trademark before going to understand? Because our topic is importance of intellectual property rights. To understand, if I have a particular sign, I'm me going to make such a new thing to the society, and if there is no protection through trademark, anyone can imitate my sign and make the same product, local product, which is counted by provided under the intellectual property rights. Trademark represent things of one person from others and may include ट्रेडमार्क वो मार्क है जो क्या करता है जिसको आप ग्राफिकली रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं जो डिफरेंस क्रिएट करता है किसी एक पर्सन का जिसने मार्केट में कोई प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च किया है उसके बीच में उसके गुड्स और सर्विसेज के बीच में और बाकी दूसरे मार्केट और सर्विसेज के बीच में तो ये अगर ये साइन नहीं होगा then it will not be easier for the consumers to purchase the thing they want to purchase. वो जिस ब्रांड को जिस प्रोडक्ट को परचेज करना चाहते हैं इट विल नॉट बी इजियर फॉर देम इट consumers will be deceived easily and it will also be not beneficial for the inventor because if it is then people will not take initiative to make such an invention to give society something new. That's why trademark is very important. The example of trademark can be given shape of goods, their packaging, combination of colors, packaging of many things are very different to others. Trademark can be a symbol, a letter, or any combination of these items. Now, in simple language, we can understand trademark क्या है. एक ऐसा mark जो हम किसी ट्रेड में किसी बिजनेस में यूज करते हैं जो आइडेंटिफाई करता है किसी प्रोडक्ट या सर्विस को जो ऑनर आपको ट्रेडमार्क के थ्रू सोसाइटी को कुछ नया देना चाहता है ऐसा ऐसा मार्क जो एक गुड्स को make difference the or the goods and services of one person from the whole market and through with this protection it is very easier for the consumers and for also the trader to sell the product easily in the market and to distribute the and it also get a vital role in our economy also. For example, example of trademark can be given like Coca-Cola, Bata, LG. These are trademark of certain products. If we want to purchase the Coca-Cola, we just look the sign because there is a particular trademark sign on such and such soft drink. अगर आप इसका initial registration की बात करते हैं, the initial registration is for 10 years and it can be renewed from time to time, whether with the payment of such and such fees. Now the fourth indication, these are three major protection which are provided under the intellectual property rights for in the whole world. पूरे ही वर्ल्ड में पूरी ग्लोबल इकोनॉमी में इन तीनों राइट्स को बहुत अच्छे से प्रोटेक्शन दिया गया है इन तीनों राइट्स के थ्रू पेटेंट के थ्रू कॉपीराइट और ट्रेडमार्क के थ्रू बट there is also a protection that's called geographical indication because अगर किसी particular place से if a particular product is originated from a particular place and assess such qualifications, such characteristics which are essential to that product from the origin, then protection has been also provided. वी कैन से जियोग्राफिकल इंडिकेशन क्या है, एक साइन है जो यूज्ड है ऑन द गुड्स टू हैव अ स्पेसिफिक जियोग्राफिकल ओरिजिन। एक ऐसा साइन जो किस गुड्स पे यूज होता है क्योंकि वो एक पर्टिकुलर ओरिजिन से वो गुड्स निकल के आए हैं, इसीलिए वो साइन उन पे निकल के आता है। जनरली इसमें क्या होता है, इट शोज द नेम ऑफ द प्लेस ऑफ ओरिजिन। एग्जाम्पल दिया जा सकता है जियोग्राफिकल इंडिकेशन का, जैसे दार्जिलिंग टी, आप उसमें उस प्लेस का नाम मेंशन करते हैं। टी हो गया हमारा प्रोडक्ट, लेकिन हम उसमें उस प्लेस का नाम मेंशन करते हैं, उसका जियोग्राफिकल इंडिकेशंस दिखाते हैं। बासमती राइस, पश्मीना वूल, इसमें क्या है कि हम इस तरीके से उस प्रोडक्ट को जो उस पर्टिकुलर प्लेस ऑफ ओरिजिन से आ रहा है, जियोग्राफिकल ओरिजिन से आ रहा है, हम उसे प्रोटेक्शन प्रोवाइड कराते हैं जियोग्राफिकल इंडिकेशंस में आईपीआर लॉज के थ्रू। इसमें भी है जो ड्यूरेशन है इसका, स्टार्टिंग में इट विल बी इनिशियली फॉर 10 years बट इट कैन बी रिन्यूड फ्रॉम टाइम टू टाइम। Now, the industrial design. Industrial design actually, we in simple terms, we understand industrial design is a which makes attractive an article and gives a commercial value to the product in the market. वो commercial value उसकी बढ़ा देता है प्रोडक्ट की, उसको attractive बनाते हैं। हमारा सेमीकंडक्टर है, इंटीग्रेटेड सर्किट्स हैं, जो इस तरीके से क्रिएट किए जाते हैं किसी पर्टिकुलर ब्रांड से, जिस भी इन्वेंटर ने उनको बनाया है, उनको भी यहाँ पे प्रोटेक्शन दी है। इसमें भी उनको 10 years के लिए प्रोटेक्शन दिया है, बट इनको आगे हम रिन्यू कर सकते हैं। नाउ द 7th इज ट्रेड सीक्रेट। अगर हम ट्रेड सीक्रेट की बात करते हैं, ट्रेड सीक्रेट क्या है? ऐसा सीक्रेट विच इज एसेंशियली टू मेक सीक्रेट बिकॉज इट हैज commercial value. Trade secret is a newly concept in intellectual property rights. In starting, it was not recognized in intellectual property rights. Starting में जब intellectual property rights बहुत ज्यादा हमारे एनफोर्स में आने लगे, नॉलेज में आने लगे लोगों के, तब हमारा जो ट्रेड सीक्रेट था इसको लेके इतना ज्यादा अवेयरनेस नहीं थी। बट नाउ अ डेज एवरी इकोनॉमी इज गोइंग फास्टर डे टू डे, और आईपीआर का जो रोल है वो डे टू डे बढ़ता जा रहा है, ताकि जो लोग हैं वो इन्वेंटिव स्टेप लें, सोशल डेवलपमेंट हो, इकोनॉमिकल डेवलपमेंट हो, सबसे बड़ी बात सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट हो, लोग उसमें उस पर विश्वास करें और नया सा नया इन्वेंशन करने की सोचें। तो इसीलिए अब क्या है, ट्रेड सीक्रेट इतना सारा हमारा टेक्नोलॉजी हमारे कंट्रीज में आ चुकी है ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड। अगर ट्रेड सीक्रेट को प्रोटेक्शन नहीं दी जाएगी, देन द डेटा विल बी स्टील वेरी इजीली एंड नो वन विल बिलीव टू मेक any transaction or any deal with any other person. Now, what happens after trade secret? There is importance of IPR in global design. It creates high-paying jobs. Importance how IPR is important in our daily life. How IPR is important in our business life. How IPR is important in our market, in our commercial department. It creates and supports high-paying jobs. In the intellectual property incentive employs over 55 million Americans and hundreds of millions of people worldwide. Now you can think how it is important to for the world economy, for the globalization. Jobs in intellectual property intensive industries are expected to grow faster. As the field is growing day by day, the jobs are also offering for the individuals, and intellectual property drives economic growth and competitiveness. Economic growth को competitiveness को ये promote करता है. Generate back to solutions to global challenges. अगर global challenge, अगर कोई back to जनरेट करता है एक बैक टू सॉल्यूशंस ग्लोबल चैलेंजेस को लेके, नियरली ऑल ऑफ द 300 प्रोडक्ट्स ऑन द WHO एसेंशियल ड्रग लिस्ट व्हिच आर क्रिटिकल, जिनको बहुत क्रिटिकल है सेव करना टू इम्प्रूव पीपल्स लाइफ थ्रू द ग्लोब, थ्रू रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट प्रोसेस। फार्मेटिक इंडस्ट्रीज हो जाते हैं विच डिपेंड्स ऑन पेटेंट प्रोटेक्शन। अगर इस तरीके की प्रोडक्ट्स को पेटेंट प्रोटेक्शन नहीं दी जाए तो बहुत सारे वर्ल्ड में बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो जिनको उनकी सिंपल लाइवलीहुड के लिए भी बहुत ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट हो जाएंगी। इट इनोवेट्स एग्रीकल्चरल कंपनीज एंड क्रिएटिव न्यू प्रोडक्ट्स टू हेल्प फार्मर्स प्रोड्यूस मोर एंड मोर बेटर प्रोडक्ट्स। कैसे ही हमें प्रोटेक्ट करता है, ये फार्मर्स को प्रोटेक्ट कराता है, प्रोटेक्शन उनके सीड्स के लिए, उनके चाहे वो ट्रेडमार्क के थ्रू हो, चाहे वो हमारा पेटेंट के थ्रू हो, हमारा इसमें कॉपीराइट का तो कोई मतलब नहीं है, क्योंकि बिकॉज कॉपीराइट वर्क विद द लिटरेरी डिपार्टमेंट, विद द लिटरेरी आर्ट म्यूजिक. If we are talking about the cultivation, it will be go for the patent or trademark. IP-driven discoveries in alternative energy and green technologies which will help energy security and address climate environment. Climate change की अगर बात करते हैं या environment की improvement की बात करते हैं, तो ये क्या करता है? IPR discover करता है alternate energy. IPR encourage innovation and reward entrepreneurs. सीधी सी बात है, as I told you, IPR क्या है? IPR वो right है, exclusive right given to a creator or an inventor for the invention or the creation have been made by such person. उसको exclusive right देना for non interference of anyone, or no one can imitate the same work. No one can steal the work of such real owner or original owner of that work. That's why that person feels security about the work, that IPR will protect his work, IPR will protect her work, whether it is patent work, whether it is copyright, whether it is trademark, industrial design, in geographical indications. The people feel of every reason that their product is secured under IPR laws, intellectual property laws, saved their product. Then if it provides the exclusive rights to the creator, then it is the real award for an entrepreneur. This kind of occasional failure are the lifeblood of innovative economy. कोई भी इकोनॉमी तभी ग्रोम अप कर सकती है when there is more and more risk taking power and the people take initial steps as an entrepreneur. IP rights facilitate the free flow of information by sharing the protected ideas. There are many companies, advertising agencies, internet companies, and software implementation sell only brain power. Domain names and moving images are also be protected. Domain name होता है या कोई moving image होती है, वो भी हमारे IPR के अंदर protect होती है. अगर IPR उसको protect नहीं करेगा, इसकी importance नहीं से पता चलती है, then the work in the technology will not take ahead. Economy will go lower fastly. More than 50% of the US exports now depend on some form of intellectual property protection. The rapidity with which information can be communicated through the internet has led to increasing changes in the field of intellectual property. The most valuable asset, the most important aspect of the intellectual property, सबसे ज़्यादा important aspect intellectual property का क्या है? हमारी इंडिया हो या फिर पूरा वर्ल्ड हो, हम तो इकोनॉमी की पूरा ग्लोबलाइजेशन की बात कर रहे हैं. The most important valuable asset of a company on this intellectual property asset, जो उसके खुद के intellectual property assets होते हैं, उसके लिए सबसे ज्यादा important assets होते हैं. Companies must act aggressively to protect these valuable assets for infringement or misuse by others. Intellectual in India and all over the world, the very good thing with intellectual property rights is one thing. That thing is, if anyone violates or try to violate the provisions of intellectual property laws, then the implementation of these laws are very good. If anyone tries to make infringement of copyright, there are two types of remedies. First remedy is criminal remedy. In criminal remedy, there is minimum imprisonment of 6 months and with minimum fine of 50,000 rupees, which can be extended. It's not mandatory that in all cases it will be the same. It can extend. And second remedy is civil remedy. In civil remedy, the person can make an application, request application to for interim injunction and for interim injunction. Second, accounts profit. Third, damages. Up, the person can claim very easily for the infringement of copyright, that his copyright protection has been infringed. Same with the patent. If the patent right has been infringed, that person has two kinds of remedies. 31 and 32 section provides this, that they will have to face with two. They will have to provide with two kinds of remedies: criminal and civil remedies. Civil remedies are the same: injunction, temporary injunction, to prevent that person, to restrain from यूजिंग द सच इन्वेंशन, वो पर्सन एक एप्लीकेशन फाइल कर सकता है कि उस पर्सन को रेस्ट्रिक्ट किया जाए कि वो उस इन्वेंशन को यूज करना बंद कर दे, उसी वक्त उसको रेस्ट्रिक्ट किया जाए, उसको रोका जाए। और इसमें आपका क्रिमिनल रेमेडीज भी होती है। ट्रेडमार्क में भी सेम रेमेडीज होते हैं। ये है कि ऐसा नहीं है, इट इज नॉट फॉर सेइंग दैट देयर इज प्रोटेक्शन, और जैसे इन अदर लॉज पीपल से apart from intellectual property laws, people say that there are many laws for the protection, but the implementation is not good. How our right is protected, but in IPR, in intellectual property rights, if rights has been given, then remedies also have been given, and the implementation is very good for those remedies. It is in a very soon period that the creator or inventor gets relief, because there is a famous maxim about this: you be just remedium. If there is remedy, right, there is remedy. If there is no good implementation of the mm, laws, there is no benefit of such a remedy. Importance of IP, why IPR is important for the society? IPR society के लिए किस तरीके से important है? The development of any society directly depends on IPR and its policy framework. अगर आप किसी भी सोसाइटी के डेवलपमेंट की बात करते हैं किसी भी कंट्री में, तो ये हमारा सोसाइटी जो एसोसिएट करती है आईपीआर के साथ सेम तरीके से। लैक ऑफ आईपीआर अवेयरनेस, अगर आप आईपीआर का अवेयरनेस नहीं होगा तो उससे क्या होगा? Death of invention. People will not try to make new inventions. People will not try to make new creations because they will feel their work is not secured. There, no, anyone can make the same idea with the copyright, can make the same logo with the trademark, can make the same invention or use the such machines on any invention if there is no patent, trademark or copyright. Lack of IPR awareness mainly results death in the invention, high risk of infringement. If there is no proper knowledge, there is infringement of IPR laws. But if there is good implementation of these laws, if anyone violates or infringes such right of a person, we must say creator or inventor. But the IPR laws are very with enforced with very great force. Economic loss and decline of an intellectual era in the country. Intellectual era will go slow if there is no protection of IPR. IPR was very important for the commercial purpose, for the daily life, for any other purpose. Thus, there is a dire need for the dissemination of IPR information as to boost indigenous inventions and development in the field of research and technology. If a country, if a country wants to make progress in the field of science, technology, and development, it has to make disseminate the information related to the IPR. That's why if the information with related to IPR is disseminated, then people will make new inventions, create new things because they know their work is secured under patent, under copyright, under industrial design, under trade secret. But if there is lack of awareness, they will think that it can be still easily. That's why to make this awareness, the emergence of IPR is going to be increased day by day. Many seminars are conducted across the world to make awareness about the IPR, intellectual property, what are intellectual property rights, how you can get benefit of intellectual property laws, how you intellectual property laws uh, uh, protect your intellectual property, how you can get benefit of these. About all these aspects, many things have been conducted, many seminars have been conducted just to disseminate the information about the IPR to the society. That's why to make build the society, to make build that country stronger in the field of science and technology. To promote the importance of IPR, there are many agencies because in role of IPR in business in our daily life is increasing day by day. Now at global level, many organizations have tried to make to use or implement, make application of the intellectual property rights. How many agencies have been established, like the United States Patents and Trademark Office. The agency charged with granting patents, ये जो एजेंसी है जिसका नाम है यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स पेटेंट्स एंड ट्रेडमार्क ऑफिस, द हेड ऑफिस इज इन यूएसए। एजेंसी क्या करती है, ग्रांट करती है पेटेंट चार्ज को, एंड रजिस्टर्ड ट्रेडमार्क इज द यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स पेटेंट एंड ट्रेडमार्क ऑफिस, पीटीओ, वन ऑफ द 14 ब्यूरो ऑफ यूएस डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ कॉमर्स। इसमें क्या है, आप पेटेंट और ट्रेडमार्क को लेके बहुत सारी एंटिटीज, जो छोटी छोटी एंटिटीज होती हैं, आप क्या करते हो, उनको रजिस्ट्रेशन प्रोवाइड कराते हो, उनको तरीका बताते हो कि आपको किस तरीके से रजिस्ट्रेशन कराना है, आप इसमें कैसे आगे बढ़ सकते हैं। ये इसका इनका मेन काम क्या है, जस्ट टू spread the knowledge about IPR. How will people be aware about the IPR concept? If the people are aware about the intellectual property, how these rights are protected, it is very beneficial for the society. There are many international organizations, agencies, and treaties. A number of international organizations. We can take example International Trademark Association, which is called INTA. International Trademark Association एक नॉन प्रॉफिट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, कंपोज चिफली जिसके लिए मेनली बनाया गया है ट्रेडमार्क ऑनर्स के लिए, प्रैक्टिशनर्स के लिए। ग्लोबल एसोसिएशन है, जितने भी हमारे ट्रेडमार्क ऑनर हैं या प्रैक्टिशनर हैं उनके लिए एक नॉन प्रॉफिट एसोसिएशन है, विच wants to gain no profit, but on the sole motto is to make the protection, avail the protection, to provide the protection for trademark owners and practitioners, and to make the people aware, to the society aware about the trademark, about the patent. This organization is non-profit organization, which is very important step in the field of promotion of IPR, intellectual property rights, International Trademark Association. Now the second one, which is most knowable to everyone, World Intellectual Property Organization, WIPO, WIPO. It was founded in 1883 and is specialized agency of the UN. ये यूनाइटेड नेशन की एक स्पेशलाइज्ड एजेंसी है जिसको हमने फाउंड किया था 1883 में, जिसका पर्पस क्या है कि आप आईपीआर को, इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टी को प्रमोट करना, उसको सिक्योर करना। अगर उसमें कोई भी लैकुना नजर आ रहा है, कोई भी कमी नजर आ रही है, तो उस कमी पे काम करना। फिर उस कमी पे काम करने के बाद एजेंसीज को, इंस्टीट्यूशंस को उसके बारे में बताना, उसके लिए सेमिनार्स बनवाना, जो वो जिनका काम है उनको नॉलेज देना विपो का काम है। और जो इंटरनेशनल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन होंगे, इंस्टीट्यूशन होंगे, दे विल कंडक्ट द सेमिनार, दे विल मेक द पीपल अवेयर throughout the world and to administer 26 treaties dealing with intellectual property. जो हमारा वर्ल्ड इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, ये 26 ट्रीटीज के साथ डील करता है इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टी को लेकर। इट इज द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन which promotes the intellectual property because it solely to deal with 26 treaties, and all those treaties are related to, some treaties are related to patent, copyright, trademark. That's why we can say WIPO has taken a very initial step for the promotion, for the protection of intellectual property rights, and it is for the advancement of society, for the advancement of globalization. Third one agency is Berne Convention for the Protection of Literary and Artistic Works, 1989. For the protection of copyright, a convention has been made. Copyright की protection के लिए convention बनाया गया था जिसका नाम था Berne Convention, literary and artistic work को लेके। Before this convention, जब ये convention नहीं आई थी 1989, there was many cases when the people imitate the same work, same musical work, same artistic work, photographic films, phonograms. Many cases were coming and people were afraid about their work, that their work is not secure. That's why this convention came in the light, Berne Convention for the Protection of Literary and Musical Work. It to protect the intellectual property through Copyright Act 1989. It provides a, and there is another protocol that's called Madrid Protocol. It provides a cost-effective and efficient way for trademark holders. अब क्या है, अगर आप ट्रेडमार्क होल्डर को कॉस्ट इफेक्टिव एक तरीका दिखाएंगे, एक
Hello. Actually, ma'am, we scheduled this for a certain time period, so sorry for interrupting you. But I wanted to you, ma'am, if you conclude this as scheduled time minutes. We are running short of time. Okay, okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. As I told you, the main international agencies, importance of IPR, what is intellectual property. That's why I'm completing from my side. Thank you so much.
Ma'am, thank you very much. You focus on so many areas of IPR. And first of all, I would like to thank you that you focused on the nature of IPR from the very beginning and his historical background and its legal scenario as well as, and its international scenario as well as with regard to copyright, its domain, its nature, its applicability, its legal protection, and all the other areas of IPR, that is, for example, trademark, patent, GIs, and industrial design. Ma'am, you also focused how it important to the society and to all of us, and how it is important or how it enormously contributes to our national and state economies, as dozens of the industries across our economy rely on the adequate enforcement of their patents and trademarks, copyrights, while consumers use IP to ensure they are purchasing safe, guaranteed products, as we believe IP rights are worth protecting both domestically and abroad. So thank you very much, ma'am.
Thank
We on behalf of IMT Law College, I thank you to ma'am for such a knowledgeable session. Thanks to all of the participants for being such a patient listeners, and all of us has learned a lot today, and it has been a very interactive session. Thank you all of you, and thank you, ma'am, to make this session successful. Thank you. Thank you everyone.
thank you.